Driving the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited 4xe. Shift to drive. We're currently in hybrid mode. It says we have 92% battery power, 37 kilometers of range on battery, and the fuel is low. Gonna turn on the max regeneration. Don't worry about the tailgate open, that's just a license plate that's pretending that the gate is open. So the gas engine is off, so we're at 0 RPM, you can see. Using these, we can shift to hybrid, electric, and even e-save. So in hybrid, it still hasn't started the engine. Set temperature 19 degrees.
Setting temperature to 19 degrees.
It feels really nice driving this Jeep. It's really smooth because of the electric. So if you haven't drove one of these 4xEs, you definitely need to try it. It definitely drives much different than the gas Wranglers. Love the noise. So the gas engine has started, so we're definitely on gas right now because we're on hybrid. Gonna hit the electric once we get a clearer spot. So we're at the electric mode right now, so the gas engine is off. So I just pushed the accelerator much more and it ended up starting the gas engine, because when I was pushing the accelerator it was struggling to get to 100 kilometers per hour. But right now we're in pure electric again. Battery percentage is at 74. Let's try out this regen braking. I eased off the accelerator. It is definitely doing a regen braking, but it's not like as aggressive as like the Tesla one pedal driving. But it definitely was slowing down the Jeep. I did have to use the brake. See how it does here. Still on electric power. Definitely liking this 4xe Wrangler. So if I were to buy a Wrangler, it would definitely be this 4xe. Love how quiet it is. The range is amazing. The regen braking is not aggressive, so I feel like someone who hasn't drove like a complete EV, like you will be like not minding this whatsoever. Like when I first time ever drove an electric car, which was a Tesla Model 3 long range, it was really weird at first because the regen braking is really aggressive at the setting that I picked up the car on, and right now we're on the max regeneration. The button is on and it's not aggressive, so I feel like you won't really mind it whatsoever from the beginning. So I only have our peanut behind me, so if I just ease off the accelerator, I'm not pushing the accelerator, it's definitely regen braking. So yeah, you can definitely drive this if you time it right, to come almost to a stop and then push the brakes kind of thing, like when you're rolling slowly. Can go over to this one. So this is the hybrid information. This one also has e-save mode. So with the e-save mode, you can I guess use the gas engine to charge the battery, which is pretty cool. So we're at 68% battery and it says 27 kilometers of range. We have a playground. I'm going to ease off the accelerator, like I'm not pushing it, and it definitely starts to slow down much faster after a bit. Yeah, I can definitely feel the regen braking at this speed. Thing with the electric cars is they're so smooth and quiet, you don't even feel like when you accidentally go over the limit. So I'm using regen braking, gonna apply the brakes right here. I love how smooth it is, how quiet it is. You definitely don't want to push the accelerator too much because then the gas engine will start. But I do want to say thank you to Murray Chrysler here in Okotoks, Alberta, for allowing me to come down and take their 4xe Wrangler Rubicon for a test drive and make a video on it. If you are in the market looking for a Wrangler or other FCA vehicles, come say hi to them and maybe take one for a test drive, because they do have really good customer service, and that is why I love coming here to review their vehicles. You can see there, it says plugged in and charging. Estimated time to 100%, 1 hour and 11 minutes. There's those indicators in blue showing the state of the charge. So we have 20, 40, 60, and then we're in between 60 and 80%, and that's why it's flashing the fourth light. And yeah, we're at 65%.